What's up, everyone? Aaron Duncan here from DBC, coming at you from the Detroit Autorama in downtown Detroit, Michigan. Cobo Hall. I'll never call it Huntington Palace or whatever people call it now. It's just useless, total nonsense. But anyway, coming at you from the Autorama. Is this an Instagram, Joey, or is this a YouTube, or is this all of the above? Okay, so YouTube vid. So YouTube vid coming from a show. Haven't done one of these in a long time. Obviously, have the FrankenBoss here. People have been really beside themselves about it. We're obviously in very great company. We're next to one of this kick-ass grade A car and like other cars that are way nicer than all ours. So it's kind of intimidating. But I think I put something out a couple weeks ago saying like we need some help figuring out the display because we had a fancy pants spot. Look at these things. Kind of was going for some sort of like, we found it in Dr. Frankenstein's basement Tesla coil sort of look. We just took some springs we found that we had around the shop, some rear springs, brake rotors, welded some exhaust pipe to the brake rotor, wrapped it in a green that matched the brakes, added these two things to put conduit into, and then found this at Hobby Lobby, misted it blue, and then ran a bunch of lighting in there. So kind of looks very electrical, fits the whole theme of the car, but the show's been pretty fantastic, man. I mean, there's some obviously kick-ass cars here. Pretty cool because we actually have two cars here. Of course, the Boogeyman, the legendary Boogeyman car is here as well. Mike was telling me something that there's like a prequel show to the John Wick series. I didn't know about that, or maybe I knew about that or wasn't paying attention. So he's even got more Boogeyman fever from it, but obviously that car is going to do really well too. But, and we're by all the Batman cars, all the Batmobiles. You got the Adam West, the Tim Burton, Michael Keaton one, the Val Kilmer one, which is signed, the Christian Bale one, the Tumbler, and then the Batfleck one. So pretty cool because I think minus the Adam West one, all of the other ones are screen use. So as a kid that grew up with that stuff, man, it's pretty amazing to see. But I can't lie and say that the Batmobile didn't have influence on this or any of the other ones we built, or Trevor's car or anything like that. So pretty cool to see those cars. Anyway, I don't know what happened to my voice just then, but seems like could be going through puberty. I'm really young. Obviously, we're repping the merch pretty well. Look at that. Woo! That is awesome. That is awesome.
And the prices just dropped.
What'd you say?
And the prices on the website.
And the prices on the website just dropped. I just remembered that. That wasn't something that someone told me. Prices on the website have gone down. So if you want a good value and you're looking to get laid, buy some of our shirts. My phone broke, by the way. I know that by the time this goes out, it's a moot point. But yeah, my phone broke. So I haven't had a phone for a couple days. So if any of you, if Dave Grohl, I'm sorry. Robert Downey Jr., I know you guys wanted to see me while I was up here, but I just couldn't, I don't remember your number off the top of my head. So anyway, that's on me. The phone accidentally broke, but I'm sure I'll have more updates going on. We'll see if the judges like the car. I think they came and judged it yesterday, but I will see you guys on the next one.
I have just been hiding in random cars. I pop out to scare people every now and then. It's been the best moment of my life.
That's fine. That's fine. They said they were forward bombing the crap out of me.
Yeah, it happens.
I'm a big boy. I don't say crap. I say
Oh, hey there.
Your second place winner is 1007 Duncan, Kentucky.
And as you were seeing, winners. Second place in our class for the FrankenBoss in the full custom hardtop division here at the Detroit Autorama. A tremendous honor. A lot of you people might be wondering like, why are you excited about second place? You should see the car we were up against. Like, you could eat off the bottom of it. It's just kind of one of the craziest looking things I've ever seen. I don't even know if dirt's been on the wheels. I mean, it's a 61 Starliner with like a 427 side oiler. It's a wild car. Like, I looked at it the other day. I can't even believe they put us in the same class. I can't believe they put us here next to the Grade 8 cars and the Riddler Award cars. We're tremendously flattered, but like, I think it says a lot about, I guess, the craftsmanship and the things we've done to this machine. And, you know, we drove it in here. We drove it in, and I think that's probably the one difference. We might have got some points docked for cleanliness on the underside, but second place with those kinds of odds is just kind of insane. So let me go ahead and run through some things real quick, because I want to dedicate this award to a few people. So on this shirt here, there's me. I'll dedicate it to me, Danny, and then obviously Duncan Brothers Customs. I gotta say David Brashide, Jesse Montoya, Jake Petway, Candace Bobandis, Rick Duncan, Justin Byron, Matt Koneman, Bree Mauser, Cody Shelby, Joey Duncan, and all of our sponsors that were involved in doing that. Wow, that's an amazing shirt. But anyway, it's dedicated to them. But now I also have a different group I want to dedicate it to. Oh yeah, you guys know who you are. All of you awesome people in the comments that think you know what you're talking about. All the people that are just basically little crybaby, the crybabies, the whiny babies, the ones that say, oh my god, I can't believe you guys did that to a Boss 302 Laguna Seca. Oh no, it's so rare, it's a Boss car. Shut your mouth. Oh no, what are we gonna do? There's only 641 more Laguna Secas. You're also upset, oh my god, why did they do the green brakes? I can't believe they did green brakes on the car. You guys are upset about that. Oh no, I can't believe they mixed GM parts and Charger parts, and oh my god, a Mustang should only be a Mustang, and you guys gotta make it look like all the other ones. All people are upset. Oh my god, I can't believe you put a GTO hood on a Mustang. I can't believe you did a Charger front end, and oh, and all the proportions and all that other stupid crap. Oh, you people complaining on your little keyboard. It's probably not even like this. It's probably more like this. You're sitting there on your toilet, taking a dump, got your fingers on your phone, out of your mom's basement. So do me a favor, flush the mess in the toilet, sanitize your hands, walk up the stairs, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and do the walk of shame after your complaints. Show your mom. Duncan Brothers won. Show your stepdad, who deserves to beat the crap out of you.
What did we talk about? Respect.
Duncan Brothers won. They took home a trophy, and that's the bottom line.
A few moments later.
Mind-blowing update. Not only did we get second place, but we also got Outstanding Engineered Build, which is awesome. That's only one award, and it's based around like which car was engineered, probably the best of them, and they happen to think that this one is. So tremendously honored by that. Just wanted to put that out there. And there's another reason for your stepdad to beat on you a little bit. So no, Daddy, no! Anyway, Outstanding Engineered Award. Thank you so much, Detroit. Thank you so much for the crew. As you can see, we're cleaning up, but pretty awesome stuff. And there's Teddy. There's cousin Teddy. I don't know if I thanked him earlier, but thank you for everything you've done for us on this trip.
Do you want a glass of milk?
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Flashback.
Can I borrow a feeling?